Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the set. So what has been given is that the graph given below shows some data regarding the number of garments of two types, casuals and formals, produced by Sokia Fashion Limited for the purpose of export during the first 5 months of the year 2011. Now all the garments were passed through extensive quality checks and those found defective were rejected. All right guys. So here what you have is you have been given the data, like in this one you have been given the data for the number of garments, okay, and here is the month. Now in every month column there is a bar graph, there are two bar graphs, okay, there are two bar graphs. The first bar graph is the total number of garments that were produced, and the second bar graph is the total number of formal garments that were rejected. So guys, the most basic thing here, what we are going to do here is we are going to make our table. Take so first table I will make the table in two cases, two ways, okay, two places because of lack of space, okay. So you have selected garments, okay, you have the selected garments for formals as and the casuals, okay, and then you have the month January, February, March, April and May, okay. So you have the month, you have this, and then there is the total ka column, okay, then there is the total ka column, okay. So let us understand how we are going to fill it. Okay, let us understand how we are going to fill it. Okay, okay, chalo. All right, and we are going to do the same for rejected items as well. So for rejected also we have formals and we have casuals. For January we have for Feb, for March, April and May. Take, and we also have the total ka column. And also talking about the line graph guys, so line graph has two lines, okay. So what do they represent? The two lines, what do they represent? So they represent ki boss, the square wala part, it represents ki the fraction of number of garments rejected to number of garments that have been selected, okay. Number of garments rejected to that being selected, take, chalo. And the second, the pointed one, the triangle one is ki the fraction of number of formal garments selected to number of casual garments selected, take. So this is the data that you have been given, okay. So boss, the first thing that you do is कि भाई you have the total number of garments and you have the fraction of rejected to selected. Okay, so we will fill down that data for every month. So in January you see 540 garments are there. Okay, and the fraction of number of garment rejected to selected. So rejected by selected is basically 1 by 2. Okay, rejected or selected ka the fraction is 1 by 2. So basically if the fraction is guys here 1 by that is 0.5, that means they are in. So you see, अच्छा लिखो इस तरह से कि this rejected by selected is equal to 0.5, that is 1 by 2. ठीक, so 2f is equal to selected. ठीक है, so that means 2f is equal to selected, or you can say कि boss selected plus ये what is it, अच्छा not f नहीं, rejected है ये, ठीक है. So r, s plus r is equal to total. Now you know that s is equal to 2r, so basically 2r plus r is equal to total, or you can say 3r is equal to total. Take, so total is 540, so rejected is 180. So rejected you can say कि in January it is 180, so the total selected in January is 540. Total selected in January is 540. And on the similar lines you can calculate the selected and rejected ka data for all of them. Okay, for all the months you can calculate. So what you will find for the rejected column, if you fill, so 72 were rejected in February, 126 in March, 200 in April and 180 in May. And for selected or accepted, if you talk about, they are 288 in Feb, they are 336 in March, they are 320 in April and they are 450 in May. They are 450 in May. Okay, so this data we have accumulated. Okay, acha. Now you see you have also been given the number of formal garments that have been rejected. So in rejected in January 120 are rejected. Okay, in February 52 are rejected. Then 84 are rejected. Then 75 are rejected, and then 108 are rejected. Okay, so this is what you have been given. Okay, acha. Now you see you have also been given the fraction of number of formal garments selected to casual garments selected. Okay, so if you talk about January, okay, so formal selected and casual selected, the ratio is 0.2. 0.2 means 1 by 5. Okay, so 5 formal is equal to 1 casual. ठीक. Also what you know is, I will write down over here कि भाई अच्छा selected में these are both data for selected ones. So formal selected plus casual selected is total selected. Now casual selected is equal to 5 formal selected. ठीक. So basically 6 formal selected is equal to total. ठीक है. और formal selected is equal to total by 6. Formal selected will be equal to total by 6. So 540 in total have been selected. Sorry, how many? 360. अरे 540 क्यों लिख दिया, टोटल था ये तो. चलो 360 have been selected. Out of that formal is total by 6, that is 360 by 6, that is 60 will come over here. And on the similar lines you can now acha one more thing for casual also. Now 360 total were selected, 60 total were selected from formal, so the remaining 300 will be of casual. And on the similar lines you can fill in the data for the other months as well. So February formal selected 32, March formal selected 80, April formal selected 64, and May formal selected 50. Similarly formal casual selected will be 256 over here, 256 over here, it will be 256 over here, and it will be 400 over here. ठीक, it is going to be 400 over here. ठीक है. चलो, then what you have, अच्छा now you see कि भाई out of the total, like in January if you talk about, total value was total value. Acha, also this in rejected you do not need a total and stuff. Rejected में you know that in January 120 is rejected, 180 in total is rejected, and 120 of formal is rejected. So how many casuals will be rejected? 60. Similarly here 20, here 42, here 125, and here 72 will be rejected. Now you have the data for everything. Now move to the questions. So what is the total number of units of formal garments produced in 5 months? So formal garments produced in 5 months is basically all the selected and the rejected ones. So selected में formal का sum is 60 plus 32 plus 80 plus 64 plus 50, and rejected में formal का sum is 120 plus 52 plus 84 plus 75 plus 108, that is 725. So 725 units were produced. Now for how many of the given 5 months was number of casual garments selected equal? Acha, casual garments selected equal, so in 3 months they are equal, so the correct answer is option number D. In February, March and April they are 256 each. And third is, in which month was the number of casual garments rejected as a percentage of total number of garments rejected the highest? So casual rejected by total rejected you have to calculate. So for January, if you see, it is 60 by 180, that is 6 by 18, that is 1 by 3, that is 33.33%. Take. For March, it is 42 divided by 126. So 42 divided by 126 is basically again 1 by 3, that is 33.33. So January and March can never be your answer. April, it is 125 by 200, so that is 62.5%. And for May, it is 72 by 180, that is basically 40%. So highest is in April, 62.5%. Option number C is the right answer. So with this, the set is complete, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.